last night out of the blue, drifting off to the evening news. Never here, but to be sure, I whispered in her ear, you know I get sick deep sea fishing, and you make the best fried chicken. I got a hopeless golf game. Neither one of us was saying a word. No, we weren't saying a word. We was just touching toes every now and then. She gave me a smile. It was beer 30